Hello there, welcome to the Math Stone and welcome to another video of Algebra 1. In this video, we'll see how to simplify expressions involving rational exponents. So we'll see some more problems. So without any wait, let's get started. Okay. All right. So first of all, I'm going to write here the properties. Property number 1 is the division property that we are going to use. A raised to m divided by a raised to n equals a raised to m minus n. Number 2 is multiplication property. A raised to m times a raised to n equals a raised to m plus n. And number 3 that we are going to use is a raised to negative m equals 1 over a raised to m. Okay, so let's start. So let me change the color. So let's start. Example number 1. Let's say you want to simplify b raised to negative 1 over 5 over b raised to negative 5 over 6. This is an expression and we want to simplify it. So here I can apply the first property, the division property. So I'm going to apply that and we get, since the base is same, you can see the base is same. So I'm going to write b raised to negative 1 over 5 minus 5 over 6. So that becomes b raised to negative 1 over 5 plus 5 over 6. And you can simplify it. So then you'll get b raised to 19 over 30. Okay, let's take second example. In this example, I'm going to take 3 terms. D raised to negative 11 over 4 times D raised to negative 3 over 4 times D raised to negative 3 over 4. Okay, now here we'll have to apply the multiplication property. That is property number 2. So first I'm gonna take these two and I'll apply this second property to these two. So I'll get d raised to negative 11 over 4 plus negative 3 over 4 times d raised to negative 3 over 4. Okay, then this becomes, okay, negative 11 plus negative 3, that's negative 14 over 4 times d raised to negative 3 over 4. So now we have reduced the problem to a product of two expressions. So we'll again use this identity to simplify it further. So this will be d raised to negative 14 over 4 plus negative 3 over 4. So this is d raised to negative 17 over 4. And that is nothing but 1 over d raised to 17 over 4. Okay, Now the last problem for this particular skill, example number 3. All right, let's say z raised to 9 over 4 times z raised to negative 11 over 4 over z raised to negative 11 over 4. Now, there are two ways of solving this one. First one is very simple. You can see that you have a common factor in both numerator and denominator. If you see this and this, these two are common factors. So you can simply divide the numerator and denominator by z raised to negative 11 over 4, and you get your final answer as z raised to 9 over 4. Because this and this, they are common factor and they'll get cancelled out. So you'll get this. Second way is that you can apply multiplication property in the numerator. Okay, so you will add 9 by 4 and minus 11 over 4. So that will give you z raised to negative 2 over 4 over z raised to negative 11 over 4. And then you can apply the division property. So you do z raised to negative 2 over 4 minus negative 11 over 4. So this becomes z raised to negative 2 over 4 plus 11 over 4. And this is 11 minus 2 is 9, 9 over 4. So see, you're getting the same answer. This is the second way, and this is the first way. This is the first way, and you're getting the same answer. So this skill was how to simplify algebraic expressions using the properties of exponents. So we'll see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to the Math Stone, please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.